Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
An owl was sitting on an orange tree. The boy gave oranges to the ostriches. Sharing is caring, as friends help one another.
Let's meet with new sounds.
Ah, ah, ah.
Let's do actions with me.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Ah, 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 ah. Time for bed, the lights go off. Ah, 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 ah.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Orange, owl, ostrich. Ah, ah. Orange, ah, ah. Owl, ah, ah. Ostrich. Dear kids, what do you know about the oranges? What is the shape of an orange?
see you in the next lesson.